Hello guys, I hope you are enjoying this series of MicroPython. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel White Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn timer with MicroPython by using ESP32 and ESP8266 board. Let us start. I will create here a new project. Save. Timer test. Okay. I will import here. Until now we have used sleep method, that is pretty straightforward. It accepts a number as an argument like sleep 1 2 3. It will accept a number as an argument like 1 2 3. This number represents the time in second. The program wait until the moving on the next line of the code. Like if I will type here led dot value 1 and here led dot value 0, then after turn on led it will wait here for 1 second, then it will execute another line. So it will wait until moving on the next line of the code. The sleep method is blocking function. Blocking function prevents a program from doing anything else until the task is completed. If you need multiple tasks to occur the same time, you cannot use sleep method. Instead of using sleep method that block your code and don't allow you to do anything else for a determined number of seconds, we will use a timer. For most projects, you should avoid using delay and use timers instead. This is time function. The time method from the time module return the number of seconds that have passed since the program started running. We will see a program. I have imported time and sleep class from time module. I will use here while loop. As I told, this time function start time and this time will be saved in current time variable, current time. Okay, print here. I will use here sleep. It will print after 1 second again. I will choose here board. I will run. As you can see, time is started. Seven 61, 762, 763, 65. You can run this thing in ESP8266 board and ESP32 board. I am using here ESP32 board, but it will work same. No need to change the program for ESP8266 board. I hope you understood this. In next video we will see an example on the timer. So please guys, do like, comment and share with your friend. Thanks for watching.